Hey everyone, it's Julie here with Tip Ranks. Today we're taking a look at two top analyst industrial stocks with unanimous strong buys and priced under $20 per share. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here and TGI Friday. Today, we're taking a look at two stocks in the industrial sector that have all buy ratings from Wall Street analysts, and on top of that, have recently picked up buy ratings from analysts ranked in the top 1%. So today, we're going to take a look at these companies, what it is that they do, and what those analysts are predicting for the stock's future. I came across these stocks under TipRank's Top Analyst Stocks page. Found under the Ideas menu, here you'll find a collection of stocks that have recently picked up ratings from 5-star analysts. I wanted a strong buy, a small to medium market cap, and the industrial sector, which gave us our list of companies below. You can check out these stocks for yourself on the TipRanks website or right on the TipRanks mobile app. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel. And don't forget that this coming Monday is a holiday and the stock markets will be closed, so enjoy your long weekend. Now let's dive right into these two top analyst industrial stocks. First on the list is ARLO Technologies. They trade under the ticker ARLO, currently priced at $14 per share. The stock has climbed 18% overall in the past year, but in the last 3 months has cooled off 20%. ARLO Technologies walks the line between the industrial and technology sector as they design and sell premium wireless smart home security systems. They specialize in high-quality, wire-free security cameras, video doorbells, floodlight cameras, and complete home security systems, all powered by AI for smart detection with cloud storage, live viewing, and advanced features available through their ARLO Secure subscription service. Their goal is to deliver peace of mind by protecting what matters most with easy-to-use, innovative tech. Their most recent quarterly earnings report was back at the start of November, where ARLO came out with both an earnings and revenue beat, plus record-breaking software-as-a-service growth and improved profitability. Earnings per share of 16 cents beat estimates by 1 cent per share, while revenue of $139.5 million beat by over $800,000. They added 281 paid accounts in their third quarter, surpassing their target and increasing their total paid accounts to 5.4 million. They executed their largest product launch in history, contributing to a nearly 30% year-over-year unit sales growth, and their adjusted EBITDA increased by 50% year-over-year, reaching $17 million. And just 2 days ago, we heard from a 5-star analyst at BWS Financial who reiterated a buy rating, noting their product momentum, subscription growth, and strong balance sheet. He said that ARLO finished 2025 by launching multiple new devices and running an assertive holiday marketing campaign, which he expects will translate into a meaningful increase in paid subscribers by early 2026. He also notes the company's strong balance sheet with substantial cash and no debt, furthering support his positive stance by providing financial flexibility and reducing risk. ARLO Technologies does just have 4 current analyst ratings, but they do all give it a buy. And the average price target of $24 implies an upside potential of 71%. Looking at the price targets down below, quite a few 5-star analysts weighing in here, with upsides ranging from 56% to 85%. And our second top analyst stock today is Amprius Technologies. They trade under the ticker AMPX, currently priced just above $11 per share. Their stock has soared this past year. It was trading down around $2 in the spring of last year and grew 200%, but has cooled off recently as well, down 14% in the last 3 months. Amprius Technologies is a leading manufacturer of next-generation lithium-ion batteries using breakthrough silicon anode technology. They produce the industry's highest energy density cells, far surpassing traditional graphite-based batteries, enabling longer range, faster charging, higher power, and lighter weight. Their SiMax and SiCore platforms power demanding applications like drones, electric aviation, high-altitude platforms, electric vehicles, and advanced robots, driving the future of electric mobility in air, land, and sea. Amprius did recently announce some leadership changes, with their current president stepping into the role of CEO as of January 1st. And back on November 7th, they did come out with an earnings and revenue beat where they saw record revenue and growth. They reported a Q3 loss per share of 3 cents, which was 2 cents better than expectations, while revenue climbed 173% to $21.43 million, beating expectations by nearly $5 million. They shipped batteries to 159 end customers, with 80 new customers joining their platform, and their second-generation SiCore batteries saw a greater than 4 times increase in shipments. And just last week, a 5-star analyst at Northland Securities named Amprius as a top pick, saying that the company is well positioned to benefit from the secular growth in drones, and management is positioning Amprius to capture meaningful market share. The stock comes in as a unanimous strong buy with 7 current ratings and an average price target of $17.17, implying an upside potential of 54%. Once again, we have quite a few 5-star analysts weighing in on the stock, with price targets ranging from 43% upside to nearly 80% upside. So that is a quick look at 2 stocks, both kind of walking the line of industrial and technology, with recent buy ratings from some of the very best Wall Street analysts. Let me know your thoughts on these 2 companies in the comments down below, and which one catches your eye the most. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, so make sure you're always doing your own research and due diligence. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic long weekend, and I'll see you back here next time.